Experience the pleasure of watching nails being pulled from beach sand via a hydraulic magnet. It's incredible how this machine designs metal. And this mechanism can prepare firewood with just 2 rotations. Check out this satisfying pencil sharpening process. After such a lovely sight, everyone's gonna want some ice cream. The precise cuts made by this machine turns ice into enticing diamonds. Without this seemingly simple device, you could never make ravioli in such a satisfying way. Watch as the shape of the metal is instantly transformed with a single touch. Nearly 100 skeins of thread are intertwined into a complex pattern for making preforms. It's impossible to look away. No matter how fast you peel an apple, this machine can do it in 2 seconds. Can anyone tell me why this is so nice to look at? This device trims off excess cardboard to make stacking boxes easier, and the process is so enjoyable to watch. This 3-stage mechanism winds miles of adhesive tape onto spools every day. Check out this exceptional tool for cleaning roads with remarkable precision. Try not to lose your mind when you see the size of this ridiculously cool metal forge. This ball dyeing machine paints every seam perfectly. When you're in a hurry to make a pie and need a mold, this guy won't let you down. Wow, even a 1968 penny can be transformed into a brand new one. Take a look at this linguist robot. It's pretty cool. These pasta machines have me under their spell. A shovel like this would actually make clearing snow an enjoyable hobby for me. It's amazing how this mechanism can create such exquisite patterns on metal. These two rotating blocks effortlessly shave logs into thin sheets of wood, much like a pencil sharpener. Discover automated beading, which has made life so much easier for seamstresses. I love this method of perfect seed roasting. We bet you'll like this machine more than the others, because it produces hundreds of thousands of €50 bills, and it's truly satisfying to witness. Here's why the patties in your burger are always perfect. Weeding with this machine takes care of even the little details. Take a look at this stump being ground down for later removal. What you're seeing now is a powerful mechanism that dries and compresses drink containers for further processing. Has the almighty shredder met its match? Check out this mechanism that can turn hot metal into a cable. Your car will never rust after taking a dip in this tub. Here's a factory that carries out the painstaking process of producing the perfect golf balls.
And that brings our video to an end for today. Don't forget to leave a comment and tell us which machine impressed you the most. While you're at it, click that oh-so-satisfying like button. See you in the next video. Bye. It turns out that the process of creating reinforcement cages is way more complicated than you would imagine. I never knew how much I wanted to work in a cupcake factory until now. It's only thanks to this hydraulic crimping machine that cable slings are so firmly connected to each other. This must be the boss of the magnets. All it takes is a single movement, and the cheese head is perfectly sliced. It's so satisfying, I could watch this forever. There's no way anything could be better than an ice cream factory. Check out this super efficient fruit tree pruning machine. It's fascinating to watch the process of making a motorcycle stator. Get your firewood ready for winter in no time with this incredible machine. And when it comes to chopping wood, nothing is better than this machine. Prepare to be amazed, because this mechanism can outshine any sculptor. Now, I'm wondering why I even had to go to art school in the first place. Wow! The precision with which this tool gets the job done is truly amazing. I can't believe this is the work of an assembly line and not actual magic. Now look at how smooth fruit packaging can be. The only thing more beautiful than fresh paint is the process of packaging it. Awesome! This machine cuts through heavy stone like bread. You wouldn't believe how complicated the process of creating a single brush is. My town's roads definitely need this road hammer. After a polishing like this, these rims will shine even in the gloomiest of weather. Even the largest roll of cardboard can't withstand the power of this tool. It's amazing how a rug can look as good as new with this cleaning device. I bet you'll never guess what they manufacture here. It's those big plastic barrels. Words can't describe how hooked I am on this process. When a road needs to be cut, a 91-inch saw gets the job done. Send this to a friend who will appreciate the size of this pancake. Look at what a piece of red-hot metal can become. impressive, right? Wait for it, you're gonna love it. And here's how they put that reflective tape on vests. Unbelievable! There is an entire automated system for distributing soil, fertilizer, and seed for greenhouses. Just scan any model, and this machine will cut it from 1 to 5 scale metal. It's fantastic! Be warned, you might get hungry after seeing this pizza factory. Watch how the seats automatically become deluxe after this sewing machine does its work. I'm pretty sure you already want a noodle-making machine for yourself too, don't you? Take a look at the impressive power of this metal bending machine. Thanks to this miracle tool, you can save time and effort when harvesting grain. Watching a topsoil cutting machine in action is pure satisfaction. Turns out, the process of making wire mesh is prettier than anyone realized. Are peanut lovers here? Because we're about to see how they are deshelled and prepared. I just can't stop enjoying the amazing work of 3D printers. It's honestly puzzling how easy metal is to process. Just look at this impressive scale of microalgae farming. It's amazing how many steps are involved to get a small but high-quality batch. Look what diesel engine production looks like. Welcome to Trending Machine, where you get to be captivated by 30 minutes of the most satisfying machines and ingenious tools. But first, I want to ask you, do you have any idea how nice it feels to press the subscribe button and notification bell? You absolutely have to try it. Just look at how precisely this automatic machine sorts fish by weight and size. This must be the most enjoyable metal bending process ever. It turns out that wood can be cut like meat, and it looks amazing. For all you pancake lovers out there, here's a tour of a factory where they are produced in large quantities. You just have to see how a 10,000-ton hammer forges apart. I bet your grandma would love an automatic knitting machine like this. This may look like hot cheese, but it's actually how road markings are made. Witness how a glass cup is made. The efficiency of this cheese slicing system that can make 250 cuts per minute is actually quite impressive. Forget ladders and rollers, just watch the robotic painter do its thing. This video makes me want to go out and clean up my lawn. The chances of a fire occurring are reduced to zero with this amazing exhaust fan. Look on in amazement as a laser print is made on a lens. It's amazing how a stream of water can cut iron more effectively than any saw. Thanks to this machine that can clean up to 300 tons of trash per day, the sea will never become dirty. Just enjoy watching how this wire gets packaged. When you see a laser cutting tool, a grinder seems like something from the last century. Prepare yourself for a really satisfying moment. This isn't magic. It's a robotic machine that can turn ordinary dough into amazingly shaped cookies. You're going to love how precise this fish slicer is. This slicer definitely knows what the perfect steak looks like. This is pure hypnosis. Have you ever seen a 3D printer that uses cement? Now you have. You will definitely enjoy the smooth operation of a cotton packing machine. If you've ever had trouble peeling fruit, you've got to see this. How do you like this pile driver? Introducing the world's first remote-controlled road marking machine. I'm afraid I could spend my whole day watching this machine at work. Now witness the mesmerizing process of egg sorting in a factory. This is how easy and fast a label applicator works. Prepare to be amazed by the best metal stripping ever done. Wow! Behind huge car tires is an even more gigantic production process. Amazing! This must be Willy Wonka's chocolate factory on a whole different level. You've never seen automated baking equipment make cookies this perfect. And just like that, a robot will turn your room into an art gallery. Here's what happens after you recycle your glass. And then another factory uses it to make new bottles. Check out how dough gets rolled out on an industrial scale. You can't even imagine how many days of hard work with a shovel have been avoided thanks to this powerful ditch digger. Burning wood has never looked so easy. Believe me, you're going to want to put this on repeat. Is there a job position where you have to watch this machine work? Look at the size of this tree, but rest assured, this saw can handle it. What if I told you that you could print a boat on a 3D printer? It's hard not to get hooked on this. Oh, you've never seen bread being made in a factory? Let's fix that. The power of a red-hot metal forging machine is mind-blowing and simply unimaginable. Watch how these synchronized gears create the perfect spring. The simplicity and efficiency of this meat grinder is honestly surprising. It's too bad that cigarettes are so unhealthy, because their production looks so amazing.
Check out this conveyor that can sort books by genre. The synchronized movements of this mechanism's rotating parts instantly weave 20 threads into one excellent rope. Thanks to its high pressure, this washer literally makes floors look brand new. These street markings couldn't be more perfect. This is so hypnotic that you might want to paint your walls now. I must say, the way the donuts effortlessly jump out of the machine is adorable. This mechanism puts a spiral in a notebook with perfect precision. This milling machine is simply a special source of enjoyment. This machine gets the fields ready for the next planting season in the most mesmerizing way. It's amazing how quickly a pressure washer can restore metal's original shine. It's so satisfying to watch a heated razor blade remove an old sticker without leaving a trace. This machine, equipped with 10 hoses that can change direction, is perfect for thoroughly cleaning tunnels. By rotating in a special machine, these beads take on an impeccably smooth shape. This press makes it incredibly easy to fit rims into tires. This is how a 3D printer can make the perfect vase for you. This radiator is being smoothly sliced, just like that. Watching the pad printing process is such a pleasure. The precision of the work on this cup is guaranteed to make you fall in love with it. This is what road repairs look like when super machines get involved. Making expensive-looking pavers out of cheap concrete is possible when you have one of these rollers. Did you ever think that coins could be cut in a machine? It's truly a sight to behold. The accuracy of this laser is truly incredible. This ridiculously powerful shredder gobbles up a metal tub as if it were made of plastic. And this is simply mind-blowing. With a laser, you can make even the most complex engravings. This tool allows molten glass to achieve a truly flawless form. If you're not afraid to get hypnotized, then watch this wood turning and milling machine in action all night. It only takes a minute to make the perfect shuttlecock with this machine, but the quality of the final product is truly remarkable. This amazing machine cuts and shapes foam into perfect cones with remarkable precision. Wow! So that's why these stickers are so hard to peel off the bottle. Watch what these little glass shards are capable of very carefully. Sorting the vegetables from the dirt using this mechanism will save you so much time that you'll be able to watch more of our videos. Seeing the process of how these hair rollers are made is just as fascinating as the stunning hairstyles they can create. With just 3 moving parts, this mechanism creates a delicious caramel color that immediately makes you crave it.